I don't know what's happening. You've been calling me night and day, but boy, you're not my problem, and I'm